That was a marvelous chanting by the students. Well done, children and parents. This was possible only because of the dedication of our team of teachers, our students and their parents who attend the Sloka class every Sunday with devotion and enjoyment. These students are taught how to chant verses from the Valmiki Ramayanam by our teachers, and Sri Prabhakar Mama meticulously incorporates the meaning and the detailed explanation of each sloka in these lessons. Once again, give them a big round of applause. Next, I would like to call upon Mrs. Sarayu Prabhakar to update us all on the Ramayana Forum and its activities.
Sitaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My respects to Shri Ranganji and all the elders present here. My greetings to everyone in the audience. A very warm welcome. We are all Rama Bhaktas hovering around the lotus feet of the Lord. Just as Shri Apannacharya says, Srimad Rama Padara Vinda Madhupaha. Today, let us all immerse ourselves in Rama Rasam. I would like to humbly announce that Ramayana Forum is celebrating its 4th annual event today. It has been a very interesting journey for all of us involved with it. On December 4th, 2011, we started teaching the very first sloka of Valmiki Ramayanam, Tapasvadhyaya Niratam. Last Sunday, May 10th, the class learned the Sri Rama Pattabhisheka Slokam, Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabali Ratakashyapaha. In between these 2 dates, every Sunday, Ramayana slokas have been reverberating in the class hall, carrying us from the beginning of Balakandam to the very last sarga of Yuddhakandam. A total of about 17 children and 20 adults have been seeing, the class has been seeing them on every Sunday. On the average, the class has been seeing about 25 students every week. The class has been taught Sankshepa Ramayanam, Rama Janana Sargam, Sita Rama Vivaha Sargam, Rama Guna Kirtana Sargam, which is the very first sarga of Ayodhya Kandam, and then Paduka Pattabhisheka Sargam in the previous years. This year, the class learned Sankshepa Sundarakandam, Sundarakanta Navaratnamala, and currently they are learning Rama Pattabhisheka Sargam. This is only one of the activities of the Ramayana Forum. Every Friday night over Skype, VP has been giving lectures on Ramayana to a worldwide audience. It is essentially an in-depth exploration of Valmiki Ramayana, Sarga by Sarga. So far, 150 weeks have been completed. Balakandam, Ayodhya Kandam, Aranya Kandam and Kishkinda Kandam have been explored, and currently the lectures are in the 36th Sarga of Sundar Kandam. About 40 people have logged in sometime or other, with about 12 to 16 logins every week. Recently, a couple of months ago, for a dedicated group of about 15 people, Sundarakandam in-depth classes have begun with VP as the teacher. This class, which takes place every Tuesday, is looking at each sloka by sloka, learning to chant them as well as getting a deep understanding of each sloka. Aside from all these, a very interesting Ramayana study was undertaken over a period of nearly 6 months by 8 children, with VP as the guide. 2 years ago, you may recall a serious research study at a senior level was undertaken by the forum, and a seminar was conducted with 7 papers being presented. This year, it is the turn of the juniors. These 8 children have completed their study and have brought out a paper each. They will be presenting their respective papers to you today. The forum had hosted Sri Hariji's Upanyasam on Rama Kathamrita Saram and Sabari Moksham in December last year. We had Sri Ramuji's participation and a mini discourse in one of the Sunday classes last October. Today, we will be experiencing Jatayu Moksham discourse from Sri Ranganji. In the midst of all these, BP also enjoyed giving a series of 6 lectures on 100 selected gems of shlokas from Valmiki Ramayana at the Hindu Center. He also gave a discourse on Hanumat Prabhavam on Hanumat Jayanti Day and Rama Gunas on Ramanavami Day in Sri Harinarayana Bhakta Samaj. The forum also enthusiastically participated in the Sri Ramanavami Puja of Brahmana Sabha and rendered an energetic chanting of Sri Rama Janana Sargam. This is the 4th year in succession that the forum has been participating in this puja. Thus, the forum is brimming with activities all centered on Ramayana. But more than everything else, for me personally, it is simply a joy to enjoy the company of these children every Sunday. It is the golden hour of the week for me. Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman and Bharata have become part and parcel of our day-to-day lives. We are very fortunate to have so many dedicated children, a very committed brigade of enthusiastic parents, some highly devoted adults deeply interested in Ramayana, and we are blessed with a team of friends who take care of different aspects of all these activities. The Rama Kutumbam is enjoying each other's devotion to Rama and Ramayana. When we began this forum, we had only a vision of which direction to go, what our mission is, and what are our guiding principles. Beyond that, we did not have a very precise roadmap. But we have been finding inspirational thoughts and ideas as we have been driving along. And so far, the journey has been very satisfying and equally fulfilling. We sense a divine presence guiding us. In this journey, we have also gained a lot of like-minded friends in various age groups. This journey has also enhanced the mutual trust and respect among all of us who keep meeting every week and even more than once a week over the Skype classes also. We do not know where the journey will take us further, but we will keep going guided by the Rama Parivar and our Guru. We are very happy that Sri Ranganji is here with us in this year's celebrations, just like last year. I am sure all of us are blessed to chant Akshepa Sundarakandam in his presence. And the 8 children who will be presenting their papers are really very fortunate to be blessed by Sri Ranganji. Jai Sri.
Thank you, Sarayu Momi, on the update. Now we will move on to the main segment of the today's morning events, the Junior Ramayana Seminar. I would like to invite Sri Prabhakar ji to do the introduction to the seminar, followed by Mrs. Malati and Mrs. Priyambada for taking you